Today's video from Shop Stuff, we're taking a quick look at the CountLab standard key operated manual cash drawer. So this is ideal if you're taking cash payments, maybe at a temporary event or a temporary stall, and you don't want a full-blown till, but you want somewhere to store your cash. You can use a manual cash drawer. We offer the drawer with heavy-duty brackets, so you can fit these brackets to the underside of the counter and then hold the cash drawer in place. The cash drawer itself is supplied with the insert tray, so when you take the insert out, the whole tray comes out. So you can see you've got 4 note holders, 5, 10, 20 and 50, sturdy metal note clips, and then space for each of the 8 UK coin types. Got a media slot at the front for pushing cheques or card slips through, and then the insert tray just slides in. It's on rollers, so you just have to line them up, and then the drawer will not open until you turn the key. So the operation of the unit is you simply turn the key and then you can access the drawer. Close, open. So if you don't want it to be anyone else to open it, you can keep the key on you, and then yeah, that'll keep the money in there. Obviously it's not an insurance rated product, but it's useful if you need somewhere to temporarily store the cash. Dimensions of the unit, it's 410mm wide, so as we look at it from left to right, 425mm deep from front to back, and then the total height is 115mm. So yeah, you've also got a compact manual key operated drawer available from CountLab. I'll put a link up to the video for that one, and also there's a range of tills from CountLab. I'll pop up the playlist to the CountLab cash registers, so you can check those out, and you can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit shopstuff.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.